Yo, what's up, people? Punishment Mad Dog is here. I'm back. Forrige kamp, I watched my hometown fantasy world, Cuba, Puerto Rico. Da Tromsø slo Haugesund 2-1. Tok med seg 3 poeng hjem til Nordøst Paris. Herlig bra. Så nå i dag er det cupkamp. Tromsdalen mot Tromsø. Well, originally planned it was going to play at Tuil Arena, but there's the problem. They cannot play their other side because de holder på å skifte ny kunstgress. And second original plan was supposed to play i Fløy Arena, but det kunne 600 tilskuere, så derfor fotballforbundet decided, og 2 klubber er enige, at det blir på Alfheim stadion. Fine by me. So, well, I don't know if Anders Jensen or Kasper Eivan will be playing because of injury. We'll see what happens. Probably resting them spillet mot Sarpsborg 08 on Sunday. Julian Noheim, unfortunately got injured. Go beding, buddy. So now, here's what I plan. If Tromsø punish opponent Tromsdal and collect 3 points. Oops. My mistaking. What I say was, if Tromsø can punish Tromsdal and collect billetten til runde 3, ville vært helt supert. I came to collect. So now, if you excuse me and my boss Erlend skal opp til Alfheim stadion om en time eller 2. Da støtter guttene hele veien til å punish Tromsdal, collect tickets to round 3. That's the plan. ALT. It's justice time. Hope you like the video. Party people. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time on next video. Hashtag it's justice time. Booyah.